Hi, this is Melanie, and I'm going to be reading Loch-na-Bar by Sir Walter Scott. O young Loch-na-Bar is come out of the west. Through all the wide border his steed is the best, and save his good broadsword, he weapon had none. He rode all unarmed, and he rode all alone. So faithful in love, so dauntless in war. There never was a knight like young Loch-na-Bar. He stayed not for brake, he stopped not for stone. He swam the Skeet river, and ford there was none. But ere he alighted at Netherby gate, the bride had consented, the gallant was late. For a laggard in love, and a dastard in war, was to wed the fair Ellen of brave Loch-na-Bar. So boldly he entered the Netherby hall, 'mong bridesmaids and kinsmen, and brothers and all. Then spoke the bride's father, his hand on his sword, for the poor craven bridegroom said never a word. "O come ye in peace here, or come ye in war, or to dance at our bridal, young Loch-na-Bar? I long wooed your daughter, my suit was denied. Love swells like the Sidway, and ebbs like its tide. And now am I come, with this lost love of mine, to lead but one measure, and drink one cup of wine. There are maidens in Scotland, more lovely by far, that would gladly be loved to young Loch-na-Bar." The bride kissed the goblet, the knight took it up, and quaffed off the wine, and threw down the cup. She looked down to blush, she looked up to sigh, with a smile on her lips, and a tear in her eye. He took her soft hand, ere her mother could bar. "Now tread me a measure," said young Loch-na-Bar. So stately his form, and so lovely her face, there never a hall such galliard did grace. Where her mother did fret, and her father did fume, the bridegroom stood dangling his bonnet and plume. And the bridesmaids whispered, "'Twas better by far to have matched our fair cousin with young Loch-na-Bar." One touch of her hand, and one word to her ear, when they reached the hall door, the charger stood near. So light to the croup the fair lady he swung, so light to the saddle before he sprung. "She is won, we are gone over bank fresh and square. There'll be a fleet steeds that follow," quoth young Loch-na-Bar. There was mounted 'mong Graemes of the Netherby clan, the Fosters and Fenwicks and Musgroves. They rode and they ran. They were racing and chasing on Cannobie Lea, but the lost bride of Netherby never did they see. So daring in love, and so dauntless in war. Have you ever heard of a gallant like young Loch-na-Bar?